So today's lecture is about masks and composites. Okay, when we talk about composites, we're talking about images which are made out of more than one image. Okay, it's a similar idea to that of a collage, but with difference to collage. Collage usually has that quality where it shows that it's composed of more than one image. But in composites, we always try to make that look as natural as possible. So, for example, if um, I have an image of a room and I'm kind of including plants in it and adding decorations, the idea is that they look as if they were really there, as that's part of the image. Okay, and this is a bit of that's what makes it different than collage. This kind of more natural looking kind of thing. The idea is to make it look as if it's like that. All right. And masks, I'm sure you have an idea of what masks are. I'm going to go over it just very quickly, okay? And we're going to be using them in the tutorials that we're going to do today. I'm going to open an image just to show you very quickly. Okay, so let's say we have this image. I'm going to place a layer at the back just so we can see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to unlock this and I'm going to create a new layer. That new layer I create from here. Okay, so that plus, we have another layer. I'm going to move it at the bottom. At the moment you see that the layer is transparent. Okay, if I turn off the layer with the image, okay, from here, you can see that this is completely transparent. I'm going to put a color just so we can see what it does. Okay, so I have purple selected here. I'm just going to go on edit, fill, foreground color. Okay, so that layer is purple. Now, if I turn on this, you can see that the purple doesn't show at all. All right. Well, I'm going to create a mask. To create a mask very quickly, you need to select the layer. Okay, in this case, the one with the oranges, and you click on this, add layer mask. Okay, and you'll notice that there's another kind of rectangle here. Okay, this chain means that they're linked together, okay, as they should be at this point. Mela, issa, with masks, we only use two colors. Okay, we use black and white, and the grays in between. Okay, the white only shows the image. The white is blocking the back, essentially. If we put black, all right, if we start painting with black, we start showing what's underneath. Okay, this purple, I didn't paint it purple. You'll notice that this is black with the brush, but what I'm doing is kind of making a hole in the image showing through the one underneath. That's all it is. Okay, if I change my mind and let's say I want to bring some of that image back, I just need to go with white. All right, and notice that it will show here. Okay, here it will show what's happening to the mask and what areas we're marking. Okay, and if we use gray, we'll get a transparent kind of thing. You can see the purple, but you can still see the orange. That's because we're making the mask, we're giving it a certain opacity. Okay, you'll notice how it's marked here. This is very basic. This is just so you'll have an idea of what we're talking about masks. When we say masks, this is not an exercise. This was just to show you. Okay, I'm going to have the other exercises recorded, and then those you need to do them, follow the videos, do them. Obviously, where you have any issues or misunderstandings or anything, just send me a message, and the result of it, the edited image, you need to upload on your blog. Okay.